Good morning. Okay, so we'll be looking at the Euro USD this morning, 27th of May. So as you can see now in the weekly chart, this chart had a nice move to the upside. And then since 23rd of June or since June of last year, we've been stuck in this range. Okay, it's just been choppy up and down, up and down. Nothing really going on. Maybe it's to do with where the Dixie is moving and what's going on over there. But for now, we'll just trade what we can see. We go to the daily. As we can see, we have had a gap up from Friday's close and really nothing, just chopping up and down. Nothing much is going on. When you're looking at the chart right now, as you can see, doji, nothing. So based on that, it looks like we're still digesting this whole move to the downside. Whether are we doing a pullback to go another leg to the downside, or we're going to go up again and pick up more liquidity. So the market is seeking liquidity. Based on that, I have three areas of interest for myself. Firstly, the zone that we broke under and then we came back in. And obviously this is the zone that we haven't really been able to break above again. Only we've had a gap down over here and we've had a gap fill plus liquidation of these areas. Until now, the zone that we have is just between these two. Let's just mark it up right here. This is our zone. That's the zone that we have at the moment. Within this zone, we have a few areas of interest. As you can see, we're above this area that usually for me, I like the market to go and break to the next zone, retest it, and then go up again. And maybe if we're just bringing our fib out right here, and if we measure this move, sorry about that, there we go, and that is maybe to 50 to 61%. Also, it will come in with this whole zone of what we can call order block, and obviously that is a zone where prior we've had the market take off from it. So if that is something that we're looking at before we start making a next leg to the downside, that is a possibility. But for now, we just have to stay neutral. This market is not really giving us anything, and ideally for me, for myself, is if I can come gap close over here, grab liquidity from the zone, get back above, then maybe I'll go long once I have a gap close or maybe a retest of this zone, just so I can keep my stops tight. And then yes, maybe I'll look for if you want to call it a counter trend, even though we are range bound. But I would prefer and I would love to see that. Where we are right now, I need this market to do two things. First, either break, retest, and then go towards the upside. So clear the zone completely and maybe give me like a wick in this area for me to go long, or we come gap close, go back above this and go back up. That is on the bullish side of things. So we're talking about the bullish side of it. Now, this market has sold off nicely. It's already sold off. So for me over here, it's just too late to get into sells right now, to be honest. Especially, when I'm seeing not much going on in the chart, no confirmation or anything like that. I would love it if it can seek liquidity and then from any of these areas, then maybe make a move to the downside. As we know, this is also a big area of liquidity. We haven't liquidated anything in this area. A bearish for me would be if we can liquidate that, pick up liquidity from here, okay, drop back under, retest, then yes, I will go bearish and just target either here, gap close, next liquidity level or this zone. So in both ways, I am open to any move to the upside. If we move here, hold, I will be looking for a quick long, and if from where we are we see that, I'll be looking for short, or if we just short, come back above there, and that is what I'll be looking for. So hope that makes sense. Those are the areas of interest that I have. Until next time, like and subscribe. Wish you all the best.